Serbian at Italian national team nagsidatingan na rin sa Pilipinas para maglaro sa FIBA World Cup. Sa mga mukha pa lang ng mga players ay makikitang excited na rin sila sa World Cup.
Can you say about playing the Philippines?
We are so happy to be here.
Okay, coach. Have you been?
They are so lovely person.
What can you say about playing Jordan Clarkson, coach?
We have to ask to Fonteca. We play with him.
May pabiro pa nga ang Italian national team coach Gianmarco Pozzeco. Hinahanap ang ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao para
I know. I
makipag-boxing.
want to fight with him.
Who coach? Who coach? Coach who?
Manny Pacquiao. Where is Manny Pacquiao? I love Manny Pacquiao.
Hey coach.
Ciao.
Habang ang Serbian basketball team ay nasa bansa na rin, kabilang na dito si Atlanta Hawks player ng Serbia na si Bogdan Bogdanovic.
Nice.
Boss, huwag mo lang karangan masyado.